Oh, hi, Ben. Thank you so much for taking the time. This is a follow-up conversation, exciting conversation that we had. We met in Boston
Yes, we did.
when I made a presentation, a conversation about pragmatic innovation in digital health. And I posed the question to the audience. And the question was, hey, does anyone know your health and wellness score? And I got the same response that I keep getting everywhere I go when I ask the question. People think about the questions and nope, nope. And it was just one guy. It was you.
It happened to be me. Yeah.
And you said, yeah. So we have an opportunity to hear your story about it.
Sure.
So then tell us who you are and go dive right
Absolutely.
in. Tell us a story.
Hi, I'm Ben Thangaraj. I run a business called Radiant Sage Ventures. We help pharmaceuticals use medical imaging as a way to assess efficacy and safety of drugs that are in the pipeline. So part of this actually started because of that. We analyzed some data with respect to Alzheimer's and brain volumes and specifically hippocampal volumes and things. And I came across some research on how brain age and biological age could be a factor or a way to determine how susceptible a person is with respect to neurological issues, Alzheimer's, dementia, and other types. So this really caused a bit of, I'd say, interest in me in exploring, how can I find out about myself with respect to where I am. I had turned, I don't know, 40 something at the time. So this led down this interesting.
And you are now, you told us you are 25 years old, right?
Yeah, I'm 52 actually. So this, kind of led down this pipe of exploring, how can I kind of understand myself? And I found a bunch of research and especially models available on determining age, biological age versus physical age, that basically came from entering all your biomarkers that you can get a hold of. And me, I go see my physician every year, and he runs a blood panel of various sorts. And usually there's about 24, 25 different items that is assessed. And unfortunately or fortunately, only when things are out of whack do they call you and say, hey, by the way, this is not in range, let's talk about it, and so on. So, usually there's no assessment of where you really are with respect to, let's say, the population. So I found a few sites that had a 24 parameter assessment and even a 44 panel assessment. So about 3, 4 years ago, I asked my doc, hey, can you just run everything and everything possible? And he actually said, okay. So next thing you know, I had pretty much all of 44 different parameters on me that I entered into the site. And next thing you know, it tells me based on what I entered, I'm about 24 years old biologically, which is really awesome because I feel as if I am 24, 25 years old. Like the energy levels are crazy, awesome. I'm able to physically do a lot of things that I did when I was that young. So I think it's a very good way to understand, where you are. Because if you're, let's say, 24 and you're showing that you're 40, then there's something that you need to think about,
Yeah.
which I don't think we really pay attention to.